Welcome to Mooneys Garage here on the Longmire Road. Check out this sporty 221 Hyundai i20N that has just arrived. It's got the full N race body kit. You've got the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with those bigger brake calipers for better stopping power. You've your rear spoiler, you've got the race diffuser rear bumper. It has leather and cloth interior with two Recaro style race bucket seats up front. This is the 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine. You get over 200 brake horsepower in this little hot hatch. All the end race styling inside with the gear knob, and you have the heated seats with wireless phone charging, and there's keyless entry there as well. And then of course you have your aircon as well. The touchscreen radio, you can adjust the settings of the engine in this car to how you like your racing style, and then also you can do that with the chassis as well. Stiffen up the suspension, soften up the suspension, and so on. There's also your sat nav there as well on the infotainment screen, and of course your reverse parking camera with the front and rear parking guides. The heated steering wheel, leather steering wheel, has the Bluetooth and cruise control, and again you can change the engine settings with those buttons on the steering wheel. Front and rear electric windows, electric adjustable and retractable wing mirrors. This car has 55,800 kilometers on the clock, fully serviced here at Mooneys, and of course will come with the remainder of its Hyundai unlimited mileage warranty.